What we're trying to demonstrate here is the integrating of certain implements throughout the entire nursery. So what we're showing in this demonstration is we're actually pulling an order on a conveyor belts. And conveyor belts are something that we purchased and have been able to integrate throughout the entire nursery. We pick up plant material, tag orders on them. We find them extremely versatile. We'll stick cuttings on with them. What we do is we try to, you buy one piece of equipment, you think you're going to use it for X, well then you use it for X, Y, Z, and you just keep integrating it into different portions of it, which it really allows you to break out the cost of a $15,000 conveyor belt over many different projects to basically be able to pay itself off. So what you're seeing is what we're loading it right onto the shipping rack. So what that does, that eliminates two different touches. That's putting it onto a trailer, carrying it to the front, and then taking the trailer and then being able to move it to a shipping rack. And so by eliminating two different touches there, it allows us to also be more effective. Also, we're maximizing the efficiency of our space, because with a conveyor belt, we can actually get into a lot tighter spaces, so we don't necessarily have to leave ourselves always a path in and out. We can kind of bury things, knowing that we can get a conveyor belt to be able to pull stuff out of the middle of the house, middle of a bay, and be able to use the house more efficiently, use our labor more efficiently, and it really just allows us to be able to pay for the conveyor belts in a quicker manner and actually have them made more profitable quicker. The conveyor belts we own are actually electric, so they're really nice. They are portable. We actually keep the drive unit outside of the house. We keeps it out of the irrigation. They last longer this way. We can move them around the nursery because all we really need to have is a generator and a flat space with the legs are variable, so nothing has to be perfectly flat. You also can see where we can use the conveyor belts to tear themselves down, because as we build the conveyor belt the same way we tear it down, by using the conveyor belt, by putting one piece in, moving one piece on the conveyor belt, adding it on, moving another piece onto the conveyor belt, adding it on, and then just basically doing the reverse as we tear it down. You take the last piece, you put it on the conveyor belt, use the conveyor belt to pull it out, then you just repeat the same scenario where you're adding the next piece on, and the next piece on, and the next piece on, until you've basically picked everything else up.
Thank you for watching this video and learning how labor, efficiency, automation, and production, or LEAP, helps ornamental plant producers achieve greater sustainability. This video series was made possible by the incredible amount of time invested researching and gathering information by Decker's Nursery. Their efforts to determine how new technologies will improve their systems, coupled with their tremendous generosity to share that work with other producers beginning this process, is an inspiration to leap the green industry forward sustainably. We are very grateful to them for this opportunity. This work is supported by the Specialty Crops Research Initiative Award Number 2020-51181-32137 from the USDA National Institute of Food and Agriculture for the planning grant Labor, Efficiency, Automation, and Production, or LEAP, for sustainability in nursery crops. Any opinions, findings, conclusions, or recommendations expressed in this publication are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the view of the U.S. Department of Agriculture.